Happy Friday, everybody. Welcome to my channel. You can see Tesla is well oriented, pre-market up 0.92%, and you can see ready for a bounce. There was a news this morning that Tesla is about to launch robotaxi in San Francisco this weekend, and that's definitely going to help the stock. And if you watch my channel yesterday, I was saying Tesla was here near 304 area, below 310, and I was telling everybody, actually here, I was telling everybody that this is the time to buy. We are in the buy zone, so there's no uh, don't be scared to buy. Tesla was down almost 9% at one point, but this is where you want to be buying. And I told my subscribers that I'm buying, and I shared a screenshot of the amount I bought it to and the range, and I'm already in profit. You can see it's going up. So trades like these, you need to keep an eye on and share, and you can see how easy it is to make money. And now we're looking for a pump, and probably we're going to reach around 320 area at some point. So from where we closed yesterday around 305.3, let's say about here somewhere, to that top area, at least 5% pump I'm looking for. All right, and eventually we'll have this gap filled as well around 332. So that's the targets for Tesla. You can see these are the futures, and right now you can see S&P 500 futures right now in the neutral zone. Nasdaq futures are also in the neutral zone. You sell in the red, you buy in the green, and the Bitcoin was you can see, I don't know what happened, why it dropped so much from where it is right now to here, almost 4% drop all of a sudden from 119,600 to 114K. And I think it's going to drop a bit more because this is the futures and it's showing 114K. So from where we are right now, I'm looking for at minimum another drop of about 2.55%. All right. So that will take it, the live market, 2.55% from 116 to about 113K. Okay, so there's about $1,000 difference between these two. You can see 116 and this is 117. So that's what I'm looking for. So that would be a good area to buy. And yeah, again, I think it is already at the buy zone right now, but because there is a gap here, which I'll show you on daily chart very soon, that's why I think it's going to go a little lower. Guys, please hit the like button if you're finding value on the content, and please share this channel with friends and family. I really appreciate that. This is live futures, like I was saying, this gap here, you can see massive gap up. I think they're going to test this gap. That's where previous high. It could go actually a little lower to around 111K as well. That will act as a nice support as well. So I think that's where Bitcoin is about to go. And then this is happening when I got 9 count sell signal. I was telling everybody we're getting a 9 count sell signal, so we're looking for a decline. Last time we went sideways. So here we got a decline, we went sideways, and then massive dump. So you have to respect these signals, guys. We have to respect these signals. And let's see where we go from there. Ethereum just still holding very strong. Ethereum futures gaps are here 34, 33, 33,000, and this big gap here around 2,900. So right now still not got any sell signal, so it's holding pretty well compared to Bitcoin. Okay, so daily chart S&P 500, here you go. Gap is still not filled. If I go to 1 hour chart, you can see here this gap is still not filled. Actually, I have to zoom in a bit to show you. You can see this little gap here. So let's go back to auto chart and then daily chart. So looking for this gap, not getting any decline, to be honest. I don't know why it's like that. This is live market, very, very strong. Okay, now it's getting a 7 count sell signal today. S&P 500, you can see nice 7 count sell signal. So 789 decline, 78 sideways, 789 decline. So looking for some decline here, and that's what we will get probably. Nasdaq had a 9 count sell signal a couple of days ago and still holding higher, all due to Google earnings. Google was smashing the earnings, but you can see, I will show you soon. Here you can see Google had a nice pump and then gave it all back. So it's quite possible we can continue the decline today. So we'll see what happens. But again, regardless, this is where we are. And then in terms of gaps on NASDAQ, gaps are here at the bottom here around 22,200 and then 21,850 on triple Qs. Those gaps are here around 540 and then 532. All right. And Bitcoin already discussed. Let's keep moving. Let's look at VIX. Still no counts. I'm looking for 7, 8, 9 count signal to see to expect a drop, but still there's no signal. Tesla, I said yesterday, again, big drop yesterday, but held this blue line, light blue line. But that's where we got this 7, 8, 9 count signal yesterday. Not yesterday, a couple of weeks ago. And got a 9 count sell signal and nicely dropped here. But now we are going towards this gap fill, okay? This massive gap that will be filled. And then once that fill, looking for this 388 and 402 as well. So a lot of potential opportunity for Tesla to lot of upsides possible here. Apple also, I'm keeping an eye, just holding above this blue line, just holding it there. Earnings are 31st of July, so I'll probably play earnings before earnings. I'll buy it, but for now, it's trying its best and doing everything it can to hold above this blue line. Let's see if it can hold or it's gonna break down. Now, remember there is a gap here around 211, so we'll see when it breaks. It could come and fill that gap. Nvidia, after a drop here, nicely recovered, but there is a gap yesterday created. Like I can show you on 1 hour chart. If you go to regular trading hours, you can see this gap is still not filled. You can see, so probably they're going to come back to fill that gap, and if they have to do that, then it's going to come from where it closed yesterday to here, about 1.53%. avgo also recovered everything, so any drops being recovered. CrowdStrike looking a little weaker. Could be a bear flag, could be going towards this gap fill around 411. ServiceNow had a nice earnings, but again, like Google gave most of it back. So it's best time to sell right after earnings. So Google already showed you. When is Meta earnings? Let's see. Facebook is next Wednesday. Netflix, after also bad earnings, slightly recovered yesterday, but could go lower to near these blue lines. So keep that in mind. Amazon also looking nice, already near previous all-time high. Microsoft earnings are also next week, Wednesday. But again, what I wanted to buy, I bought it. So this one, I'm just gonna wait and see how things shape up. Bond market, nothing. Lower highs, lower lows. TLT is still looking for this gap fill around 85.28. In terms of oil is after 9 counts buy signal, trying to break out, still trying its best. Natural gas keep dumping. Looks like it wants to come fill this gap around 2.78. So that's possible. Gold is little weaker. After a couple of days of pump, gave it all back. It's very important to hold about 32.51. Okay, if that's gone, then probably gold is going lower. So that's about 2.7% away. So if that's gone, then probably next support is gonna be here near 200 moving average blue lines. Silver is holding strong. Copper also holding strong. Sugar is going towards buys on wheat near trend line. Corn is also going towards long-term buys on. Dollar is little higher. So dollar could be going higher to fill this gap around 98.63. If that happens, gold will continue selling off. Apart from that, AMD is looking pretty strong. Nothing changed. Shopify had little pullbacks, but again trying to recover. MicroStrategy is down due to Bitcoin. So right now in the middle of two gaps, one gap at top, a lot of gaps at the bottom. So you can choose. UNH finally recovering after DOJ investigation. For long-term hold, it's pretty good. Earnings can predict a lot. So 11.56 expected, 6.85. So earnings-wise, nothing changed, but I think this is still a very good stock to buy for a long-term hold. Intuitive Surgical, I sold right at the morning of earnings. Very lucky, and then since then it's going down. Looks like it wants to fill this gap around 480. CNQ again moving above all moving averages, trying to break out. CNI is also a good buy here, getting a 7 counts buy signal for a nice long-term hold. Okay, guys, that's it for today. And if you want to know more about stocks I'm buying, my buy and sell signals, bottom left of this video, there's a join button. Join my channel and join the Discord channel, join the channel, pay the fee, and let me know, and I will share you all these stocks I'm buying and the charts of each particular stocks. And also I share my review. You can ask me questions right away when I'm buying, what I'm buying, when I'm taking profit, all these questions. That'll be very helpful for you. Okay, that's it. Take care. Bye.